So hello guys and welcome back to vlog. So today we're gonna be rating and fixing some of my slimes. And yeah guys, as you can see I'm not sitting crisscrossed because I've got a ligament injury in my foot just because I slipped. So I can't sit crisscrossed, and you can see why I'm vlogging while sitting on the ground because I just can't walk too much. It pains a lot. So let's get ahead with rating the slimes. I have 4 different slimes with 4 different textures. So first we have this white slime and the texture is glossy. Then we have the sky blue slime and the texture is butter. Then we have the pink slime number 2, the texture is hard. And the pink slime number 1, the texture is crunchy. So we're gonna be rating them size wise. So let's go. First we have crunchy, butter, glossy, and then hard. We're gonna fix the hard one mostly. So let's go. First let's go with crunchy. Guys, it's just so good. Yeah, it's a little too soft and I love that. So guys, I rate this slime an 8.5 out of 10 just because the beads are falling from it a little bit too much. I added Binksy beads in them and the beads are these are Binksy beads, so the beads were falling out too much from it, so that's why I rated an 8.5. Next we're gonna rate the butter slime. I added only a little bit of Binksy beads to it. Let's see the poke first. Nice poke. Okay, so guys, it is so good. Oh, it's a little hard. We're gonna be fixing this one too. Oh, the crunch is so good. Let's go. So guys, let's see if I can make a bubble. Oh no, I couldn't. But at least it's crunchy. So guys, I rate this slime a 9.5, just a 0.5 because it's a little bit hard. I think I added a little bit too less clay, so we're gonna try and just fix that. We have the glossy slime. The glossy slime is my favorite. The glossy slime and the butter slime, I just love them. Oh my god, the glossy slime is so good. Just it doesn't go in my hair. That's gonna be very bad. Oh, I didn't make a bubble. Or at least it was so good. Guys, so the glossy slime and the butter slime are both of them are my favorite. So let's go and just packing this in. And I rate the glossy slime a 10 out of 10. It was just so good. I rate this 10 out of 10 because it was just so good. And now let's see the hard slime. Last but not least. Ow. It pains a lot. So I have to sit like this sometimes. So guys, I was just doing that. So let's see if the slime is good. It's a little bit too hard. So should we fix it? I don't know why, but let's go. Come with me to get the materials. Oh wait, I don't have the materials. We'll fix this slime in the next vlog. but let's just play with these for a while now. Let's go. The hard slime is not so good, so let's go with some other slime. Yeah, this is why I said it's not good. Let me just poke it in. Let's go. Oh good, guys. I'm playing with the Glossy Slime for now because it's just a 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, guys, I'm so sorry, I forgot to rate this slime. So the hard slime is like a 5. Yeah, that's not so good, so I just rated a 4.5, not 5. It's actually a 4.5. So guys, this is so good. How can you not say that this slime is not good? First of all, it's a glossy slime, and glossy is my favorite texture. I know it's not looking like glossy from the camera because there are no lights in the room, and it's just so late. I mean, so early in the morning. It's like 2 p.m. and there's a lot of sun out there. So like there's a lot of stuff that I want to say, but I can't. Yeah, so let's rewind back and let's talk about. So I got a ligament injury, and let's just hope that it gets well. I'm taking medicines, and let's go. We're just playing with the slimes, and then I have to put down my device. So let's go. Guys, I just have some bad news. I never put my phone charged, so I can't see what's happening with my second account. Am I getting more subscribers or what? I can check it on this device, but I can't. Just kidding, guys. I always keep my phone charged. And let's go. Look at this. OMG, that made a bubble. Oh, very tiny one for guys. Let's go. I'll put this slime. Oh yeah, and let's just get started with the crunchy slime. And yes, sorry guys that I can't fix the slimes in this video because I just don't have the materials. I forgot to put the materials with me. So I poked it in 4 times, and I poked it in this way, and now I'm gonna poke it in this. So it always makes a poke effect. Let's just play with this for a little, and then bye guys. No. Let's just play with this. And I just rate this 8.5 because there are too many beads just falling out of it. Guys, if you can listen to that, please just listen. Oh, and ginger beads scattered all over the room. Let's go. Bye. Bye, guys.